Well, we just came down here to the beach and tried to put the drone up.
Good morning. Welcome to another vlog. Today is day 3.
I'm Dave.
I'm Shayna.
If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and anytime you share it, it always helps us. But we're actually getting ready to head down and get some breakfast here. And I think we're gonna try to put the drone up here today because it looks pretty nice today. So hopefully look forward to that footage coming soon. But we are gonna get going because we got like 15 minutes to get down and get breakfast. Well, we came down here to the buffet. We need to get here earlier. They got some good food for breakfast. Fresh made juices. This is like pomegranate and banana. I mixed it together. They're just in big pitchers up there. And then we're right beside the water with ducks.
They're over there fighting.
Oh, there's a turtle there too.
Oh.
Sunbathing.
How they do that.
What? You can pop up the bottom.
Where'd that turtle go?
Geckos on the trees everywhere. It'd be kind of hard to see them. There's a few of them. Hanging out. Another one down here. This is pretty cool. tables and stuff just sitting outside. Steakhouse.
That's two different restaurants.
Yep.
So you've got,
And that is a steakhouse, so there's two different places here. Here you go. Tells you what your meat is. Chuck.
Is it on
Chuck, rib, New York. It's probably just what they have here.
I was gonna say where.
Look, they tiled outside. That concrete pad is actually tiled. See it? They even put tile on the wall. Look, there's a big coconut.
Where?
Big coconut.
Oh. Probably a rotten coconut.
Big coconut. Couple of them. There's another one broke over there. A bunch in the trees.
There's baby ones inside.
Whole bunch up in the trees. If I fall out of the tree and knock you in the head.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all tiled. That is crazy. What's up, guys? So we are gonna head down. I got the drone on my back. We're gonna head down here and see if I can put this thing up and see how windy it's gonna be.
And then lay out too.
She wants to go to the beach and lay out. So we're gonna head down there and see what's going on. Well, we just came down here to the beach and tried to put the drone up, and it is just way too windy. I ended up crashing it into a fence. Luckily I didn't damage anything. So
we'll probably try it again somewhere else.
Yeah, it's too windy. There's like 15-mile-an-hour winds.
Oh, that's cold. Yeah, don't get them wet.
Too late.
You walk up there.
Too late.
You walk way up there.
So we're just gonna take it back to the room and then head
watch,
to the ocean.
Go.
It's pointless now. They're wet. They're soaked. But they are cleaning the beach. They got this machine and they're taking all the seaweed up into there. And they're like cleaning all the seaweed up or something. Combing the beach or whatever you call it. It's pretty crazy.
What's up? So we decided to come down to the pool area and it is freezing. Now I'm hungry. So I think we're gonna go over to this one place and get some lunch. And he's still sitting at the pool. Babe. Hi. So we're gonna go get some lunch and eat and come back.
Alright, so we came over here to this pizza place behind me that is like right by the pool, and she didn't have a shirt on and I didn't have shoes on, so we're not allowed to get food there until you do. These dress codes around here are absolutely ridiculous. I mean, you're at a pool. I don't see the dress code option being something you should push. I don't know. We're trying to get lunch though. So I ordered a ham, pineapple, and corn pizza. It's like little corn. It's actually pretty decent.
And it's fresh corn.
And it's fresh corn.
And probably fresh ham.
Definitely fresh ham.
Oh yeah. Okay, mine just came. I ordered a chicken breast salad. And then I have a tiramisu coming soon. I don't know when they're actually bringing that, but...
Yeah, probably not.
Probably not. But it actually has ranch on it. I haven't been able to find any actual dressing this whole time. It is so good.
We ordered some fruit, and she ordered tiramisu, and they brought her a bottle of Di Serrano to put on the tiramisu because it makes it good, and she won't try it.
No, I've had Di Serrano before.
It tastes like cherry.
Straight, no. On sours, yes, but there's no sours, so I'm not doing that.
That's
no.
sour.
That's not sour.
Well, maybe try it.
No.
Why not?
No.
It might be good.
No.
Then you'll be in an Olive Garden going, I need Di Serrano with my tiramisu.
And it's non-alcoholic there, no. I will stick with my tiramisu like this.
Coffee. So way down here, over here somewhere, like it's hard to see on this little screen, but there's this girl and this dude. They're down there and they're like Instagram models or something. They've been taking pictures of themselves now for at least a good half hour. It's like a little eating area here, right by the pool. It's pretty sweet. But I guess we're done here at the pool. We're gonna head back. She wants to stop and look at these massage things.
See about these things.
We got these free massages when we got suckered into some kind of
timeshare
sales gimmick. But we're gonna head back. So we just got back here to the room. Before we left, we wanted to go ahead and let room service in and do a little cleaning here, and we got back. And of course, you know, they made the bed and stuff and cleaned this up and gave us new water, and they also put this stuff down in front of the shower here. And they did it all around the sink. They dressed it all up. What's up, guys? So we came back to the room, and I guess they messed with our air conditioning. Hoping they got that fixed. They climbed up in the ceiling and did some things.
Still doesn't feel like it's fixed.
I don't know. It's a little cooler than it was, but I don't know if it's because it's cooling off outside.
Yeah.
But I guess we'll see tomorrow morning, because I know every morning I woke up, the whole place is like sticky and hot. So we're gonna, I guess, head down, get something to eat. She wants to do a...
yeah, we're gonna see about doing this excursion. Bravo Splash.
Bavaro Splash.
Bavaro Splash, yeah.
There's no R. It's
Bavaro, yeah, Bavaro Splash. You get a speedboat, a snuba, and a snorkel.
Snorkel. It's like half day or something like that. So we're gonna go down. We gotta call Markin.
The famous Mark in Italy.
And see if he can set it up and when.
And we did get our massage set up for tomorrow.
Yeah, we're
So
gonna
we're
do
gonna
that.
get a free massage.
But right now we're gonna go head down and try to call Mark. One of the weirdest things that I'm still not used to is walking into a restaurant, eating, and just getting up and leaving and taking drinks with you. Nobody says a word.